Good morning, students. See this problem today. On 1st April 2014, KK Limited invited applications for issuing 5,000 10% debentures of rupees 1,000 each at a discount of 6%. So, they have invited 5,000 debentures of rupees 1,000 each at discount. These debentures were repayable at the end of third year at a premium of 10%. Applications for 6,000 debentures were received. It means there is oversubscription, and the debentures were allotted on pro rata basis to all the applicants. Excess money received with applications was refunded. The directors decided to transfer the minimum amount to debenture redemption reserve on 31st March 2016. On 1st April 2016, the company invested the necessary amount in 9% bank fixed deposit as per the provisions of Companies Act 2013. Tax was deducted at source, means TDS, by bank on interest at 10% per annum. Pass the necessary journal entries for issue and redemption of debentures. Ignore entries relating to writing of loss on issue of debentures and interest paid on debentures. Okay. So now we have to pass the journal entries. In this problem, we have to pass the journal entries for issue of debentures, that is application money received, application money adjusted. Then we have to pass the journal entries of amount transferred to DRR and investment made, and we have to pass the journal entries of, that is on the date of redemption, that is on 31st March 2017, 3 years after the issue. That is the entry of investment encashed. Then we have to pass the entry of amount due to debenture holders, then amount paid to debenture holders, and DRR transferred to general reserve, and then we have to pass the entry of transfer of interest received on this investment to statement of profit and loss. Okay, so let's start now. So in the books of KK Limited, we will pass journal entries for issue and redemption of debentures. First entry will be on 1st April 2014. On that day, KK Limited invited applications for issuing 5,000 10% debentures of rupees 1,000 each at a discount of 6%. These debentures were repayable at the end of third year at 10% premium. But actually applications were received for 6,000 debentures. So application money received will be on 6,000 debentures. So let's pass first entry on 1st April 2014. April 1st, bank account debit, to 10% debenture application and allotment account, application money received on 6,000 10% debentures at rupees. Now these debentures are issued at 6% discount. Face value, that is nominal value, is 1,000. 6% of 1,000 will be 60 rupees. So 1,000 minus 60 rupees. These debentures were issued at rupees 940 each. Okay. So application money received on 6,000 debentures at rupees 940 each. 6,000 into 940, that is 56,40,000. Okay. Now adjustment of application money, that is 56,40,000. Here there is loss of 60,000 rupees already on these debentures. Similarly, they will be having loss at the time of redemption, that is premium on redemption of debentures account payable is 10%. So let's pass the journal entry on April 1st. Debenture application and allotment account debit. Here 10% debentures should be there. 10% debenture application and allotment account debit 56,40,000. Loss on issue of debentures account debit total loss of rupees 8 lakhs. 8 lakhs included 3 lakhs of discount and 5 lakhs of premium on redemption of debentures. 3 lakhs कसं आलं आहे सगळ्यांना कळलं आहे. 5,000 डिबेंचर्स इश्यू केलेले आहेत. 6 रुपीज पर डिबेंचर डिस्काउंट आहे. 5,000 इंटू 6% डिस्काउंटनी अमाऊंट झालेली आहे 60 रुपीज. सो 60 रुपीज इंटू 5,000 विल बी 3 lakhs. ओके. And premium on issue of debentures is 10%, that is 50 lakhs into 10%, 5 lakhs. So total loss is 8 lakhs. Okay. To 10% debentures account 50 lakhs, to premium on redemption of debentures account that is 5 lakhs. And they told us that excess money received with applications was refunded, so to bank account excess money after adjustment 50 lakhs plus 5 lakhs 55 lakhs adjusted from this amount, so 9,40,000 amount is refunded to the applicants. Okay. So narration. Application money adjusted or transferred, you can say. This is the second entry. Both the entries are of issue of debentures on 1st April 2014. Okay. Now at the end of third year, these debentures are redeemable at 10% premium. So these debentures are redeemable at 31st March 2017 after 3 years, means 31st March 2017. So before that, on 31st March 16, they have to create debenture redemption reserve 1 year before. Okay. So on 31st March 2016, March 31st, let's create the DRR. So statement of profit and loss debit. To DRR account, debenture redemption reserve account. This is the short form. Now amount redeemable is 50 lakhs. We have to create 25% DRR. So DRR created 25% of nominal value of debentures. This will be the narration. 25% of 50 lakhs will be 12 lakhs 50,000. So we have to create 12 lakhs 50,000 DRR here. Okay. This is the entry of 31st March 2016. Now on 30th April, that is on or before 30th April 2016, they will invest 15% amount in investment. Okay. Here they told us that in the problem in second para, on 1st April 2016, the company invested the necessary amount in 9% bank fixed deposit. They have invested the amount in bank deposit, means bank fixed deposit, FD. Okay, on 1st April. So this entry will be on 1st April 2016. Understood? नॉर्मली आपण 30 एप्रिलला एंट्री करतो कारण डेट सांगितलेली नसते. ऑन ऑर बिफोर 30 एप्रिल म्हणून आपण 30 एप्रिल गृहीत धरतो. बट इन दिस प्रॉब्लेम दे हॅव given the date, that is on 1st April 2016 they have invested the amount. So on 1st April 2016, DRI account debit to bank account. DRI means debenture redemption investment account debit. This is the short form to bank account. Now 15% of 50 lakhs, that is nominal value of redeemable debentures. The amount is 50 lakhs. So 15% of 50 lakhs will be 7 lakhs 50,000. So they have invested 7 lakhs 50,000 into fixed deposit of the bank. Rate of interest is 9%. Okay. So DRI account debit to bank account, investment made 15% of nominal value of debentures. This will be the narration. Now next entry. Now at the time of redemption, we have to pass the entries on the date of redemption, that is on 31st March 2017. 31st March 2017. इथे तुम्ही 2017 March 31st असं पण लिहू शकता. ओके. नाव on that date they will encash their investment, this investment. This amount is invested in bank fixed deposit and rate of interest is 9%. The amount was invested on 1st April 16 to 31st March 17. They will get full 9% of 7,50,000 interest. Okay, on that fixed deposit. So they will 9% of 7,50,000 will be 67,500. They will get interest on this fixed deposit, rupees 67,500. But they told us that TDS was deducted by the bank at 10%. So 10% of 67,500 TDS will be deducted by the bank. So this entry will be of encashment of investment and TDS collected by the bank. Okay, we have discussed this entry of TDS collected at the time of discussion of all the pro forma entries. Okay, so let's pass the journal entries. This is interest given by the bank on fixed deposit to the company and deducted TDS from that interest. Okay, so entry will be bank account debit. Here we will receive amount of sale of investment. Total amount receivable will be 7,50,000 plus 67,500 interest, and from 67,500 interest the bank has deducted TDS of 6750. So total amount will be इथे लिहिते 7,50,000 plus 67,500 minus 6750. Actually 67,500 minus 6750, this amount will be added in 7,50,000. पण हे तुम्हाला TDS वेगळा कळावा म्हणून मी असं लिहिलं आहे. ओके, सो द अमाउंट बँक अकाउंट विल बी डेबिटेड बाय 8,10,750. ओके, नाव TDS collected account debit. This account will be debited because at this TDS collected will be amount deposited by the company for tax. So 6750 to debenture redemption investment account, 7,50,000 investment is going out, to interest received account, or we can say interest earned account. Okay, Interest earned is 67,500. On that interest, 10% TDS was deducted by the bank, collected by the bank. So this entry has been passed. Okay. Narration will be fixed deposit encashed, or we can say investment encashed on redemption of debentures. Okay. This will be the entry. Entry नीट समजून घ्या. 67,500 इंटरेस्ट मिळणार आहे. त्याच्यात 6,750 TDS कट करून बँक इंटरेस्ट देणार आहे. त्यामुळे ओरिजिनल अमाऊंट 7,50,000 आणि प्लस TDS कट केलेली अमाऊंट इंटरेस्टची एवढी अमाऊंट त्यांना मिळणार आहे. दॅट इज 8,10,750. अंडरस्टूड. नाव ऑन 31st March we have sold the investment. Now in amount due to debenture holders, entry of amount due to debenture holders on the same date, that is 31st March 2017. 10% debentures account debit, 50 lakhs. This is the nominal value. These debentures are repayable at the end of third year at 10% premium. So premium on redemption account debit. %10 of 50 lakhs, that is 5 lakhs. We have calculated this premium already at the time of second entry. To debenture holders account, $55 lakhs amount was due to debenture holders. Okay, amount due to debenture holders. Now entry of actual payment on the same date. So debenture holders account debit, to bank account 55 lakhs. Debenture holders will get 55 lakhs as redemption is made at 10% premium. So repayment on redemption. This is the entry of repayment. Now we have to transfer this DRR created by us. We have created here 12,50,000 DRR. So 12,50,000 DRR will be transferred to general reserve account on the same date. So DRR account debit, to general reserve account 12,50,000. Okay, DRR transferred to general reserve. And now the entry of transferring the interest received to statement of profit and loss. Okay, so on the same date we will transfer this interest received 67,500 to statement of profit and loss. So entry will be interest received account debit, profit and loss, and narration will be transferred the interest. Interest received, you can say received, amount is 67,500. that is interest earned on the investment made in fixed deposit. Okay, so in this way we have to pass the journal entries in this problem. So this is today's second problem. a little bit different. See the problem. X Limited had issued rupees 10 lakhs 9% debentures which are due to be redeemed out of profits on 1st October 2018. As these debentures are to be redeemed purely out of profit, as per Companies Act, an amount equal to 100% of debentures redeemed is to be transferred to debenture redemption reserve. Keep it in mind. Okay. These debentures are to be redeemed out of profit on 1st October 2018 at a premium of 5%. So these debentures are redeemable at premium, 5% premium. The company had a DRR, that is debenture redemption reserve, of rupees 4,14,000. So we have to create the balance required to be transferred to DRR. Okay. It was decided to invest the required amount in debenture redemption investment. So pass necessary journal entries for the redemption of debentures. Again, in this problem, they have asked us to pass the journal entries for only redemption of debentures and not for the issue of debentures. Okay. So let's start now. Now today's second problem of X Limited, where the debentures were redeemed out of profits. Okay. Since the debentures are to be redeemed purely out of profit, an amount equal to 100% of debentures redeemed, that is the given amount 10 lakhs, is to be transferred to debenture redemption reserve in this problem. Please keep this in mind. Okay. Because if only 25% DRR will be created, then it would mean that remaining 75% debentures have been redeemed out of capital, which is not allowed. Okay. So we have to create 100% DRR in this problem. Okay. So let's start. So they told us that X Limited issued 10 lakhs rupees worth debentures, 9% debentures, which are due to be redeemed out of profits on 1st October 2018 at 5% premium. Okay. So first entry will be on 31st March 2018. On 31st March 2018 means last year end, before redemption, they will create DRR. So statement of profit and loss account debit of profit and loss debit. स्टेटमेंटला अकाउंट म्हणत नाहीत या, डेबिट टू DRR अकाउंट. DRR created for the balance amount. This is the narration. As in this problem, they told us that they are having DRR of rupees 4,14,000 already. Okay. Nominal value of debentures to be redeemed is 10 lakhs. As per rule, as in this problem, these debentures are to be redeemed out of profits. We have to create amount equal to 100% of nominal value, that is 10 lakhs for DRR. Okay. So DRR required is 100% of 10 lakhs, that is 10 lakhs, less existing amount in DRR 4,14,000. So now balance required for DRR is 5,86,000. So 5,86,000 DRR will be prepared. That is rupees 5,86,000 will be transferred from statement of profit and loss to DRR account. Understood? Now, as per the problem, it was decided to invest the required amount in debenture redemption investment. So they will invest 15% of the nominal value, that is 10 lakhs, into investment on 30th, on or before 30th April. So 30th April 2018, April 30, 2018, we have to make investment. So debenture redemption investment account debit to bank account, 15% amount of nominal value of debentures invested. Nominal value of debentures is 10 lakhs and 15% of 10 lakhs will be 1,50,000. Okay. Now debenture is due on 1st October 2018. So on 1st October they will encash the investment. Details are not given. So 1,50,000 will be 1,50,000 investment will be encashed for 1,50,000. So entry will be bank account debit 1,50,000 to DRI, debenture redemption investment account 1,50,000. Investment encashed or realized or sold on redemption. This is the narration. After encashment of investment, we have to pass the entry of amount due on redemption, and these debentures are redeemable at 5% premium. So entry will be 9% debentures account debit, premium on redemption of debentures account debit to debenture holders account. Amount due on redemption. Okay. Original amount due is 10 lakhs. Premium due will be 5% on 10 lakhs. So it will be 50,000. So total amount due to debenture holders is 10 lakhs 50,000. Okay. On 1st October, at the time of redemption, they will first encash the debenture redemption investment, and then they will pass the entry of amount due on redemption. Understood? Now, entry of actual payment on the same date, that is on 1st October, debenture holders account debit to bank account. Amount is 10 lakhs 50,000. Repayment made on redemption. Payment made on redemption किंवा payment made to debenture holders or amount paid to debenture holders or payment made, any narration is okay for this entry. Now the last entry, that is we have to transfer the DRR. This DRR 5,86,000 plus original DRR 4,14,000, total 100% DRR, that is 100% of nominal value 10 lakhs will be transferred to general reserve. Okay, on the same date, that is on 1st October 2018. So last entry now, debenture redemption reserve account debit DRR transferred to general reserve account on redemption. So this will be the last entry of this problem. Okay, in this way we have to pass the journal entries. If they told us in the problem that debenture redemption is made out of profits, then we have to create 100% DRR. या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये 4,14,000 DRR दिलेला असल्यामुळे 10 lakhs मीन्स 100%, जेवढी रिडम्शन करायचे तेवढी अमाऊंट 100% म्हणजे 10 lakhsमधून 4,14,000 मायनस करून 5,86,000चा DRR आपण क्रिएट केला आहे. So total DRR will be 10 lakhs ultimately. Okay. जर प्रॉब्लेममध्ये ओरिजिनल DRR बॅलन्स काही दिलेला नसेल, then we have to prepare DRR of 10 lakhs in this problem. Okay, that is 100% of nominal value of debentures redeemable. Understood? Now you have to solve these problems into your notebook. That's all for today.